Labib Group is one of the leading business conglomerates in Bangladesh, and it has been operating its business since 1999 and providing excellent quality products and services to its national and international clients. It is a fast-growing group of industries, and since its inception, Labib Group has been moving forward successfully and extending its ventures from one after another. Currently it is involved in the businesses of yarn dyeing, sweater, telecom, bank, lease finance, IT, agro, poultry, fisheries, packaging, etc., and it has been running all its business concerns with good reputation, trust and credibility for last 20 years. It is an export, import and general business conglomerate, and currently it is having a total of 14 factories and establishments in Bangladesh. It is playing very vital role for earning foreign exchange and creating opportunities for employment in Bangladesh. Here it is mentioned that some of its sister concerns like Matrix Sweaters Limited, Starlight Sweaters Limited, Rada Collections Limited and Sultana Sweaters Limited are the largest sweater manufacturing industries in the world, and the annual turnover of Labib Group is about $500 million in average. Since the beginning, Labib Group has been working with various world-renowned buyers, out of them Zara, H&M, Oliver, Tom Taylor, Lindex, Mango, George, Carrefour, Bestseller, Pull & Bear, Walmart, Primark are the most remarkable. Moreover, Labib Group has obtained global certifications from GOTS, BSCI, OEKOTEX, OCS and RCS for its better and eco-friendly working environment, and all its manufacturing units have also been qualified and certified by the most renowned and credible organizations like Accord and Alliance. Labib Group was emerged from sole initiatives of Mr. Salahuddin Alamgir, CIP, and his spouse Mrs. Sultana Jahan, CIP, and since 1999, Mr. Salahuddin Alamgir has been holding the position of Chairman and Managing Director, and Mrs. Sultana Jahan has been holding the position of Vice Chairman and Director of the group, and under their suitable capacities, wisdom and prudent guidance and dynamic leadership, Labib Group is running all its business concerns very smoothly. Labib Group. Smiling together.